Question 10. We are asked to express 126 as a product of its prime factors using the division table. 126 can be divided repeatedly by its prime factors. 2 into 12 is 6 and 2 into 6 is 3. 2 can no longer divide, but 3 can divide. 3 into 6 is 2. 3 into 3 is 1. 3 can still divide, for 3 into 21 is 7 times, and 7 can divide itself 1 times, so that 126 to be expressed as a product of its prime factor is said to be 2 times 3 times 3 times 7, which in index notation is said to be 2 times 3 squared times 7. So this is your answer in index notation. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend that you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall then take example 11.